Londoners can expect strong winds and heavy rain as forecasters warn Hurricane Maria could hit UK this weekend. Get the latest local news straight to your inbox every day. Londoners can expect strong winds and heavy rain as forecasters warn Hurricane Maria could hit the UK this weekend. The Met Office said the potential effects will be far from those experienced in the Caribbean, but added that Maria could bring very strong winds and heavy rain. Autumn weather will dominate this week with foggy nights alongside wet and windy spells. Frank Saunders, Duty Chief Meteorologist at the Met Office, said Maria is likely to impact our weather towards the end of the weekend and into the beginning of next week. However, it is important to say that any weather impacts will be far from those experienced in the Caribbean. Hurricanes gain their energy from the warm tropical waters, and Maria will be modified significantly as it tracks over the cool North Atlantic Ocean. Maria will still contain tropical air brought north, and it is this air which has the potential to affect our weather. Our waters are far too cool to sustain an actual hurricane. He added these systems regularly head towards the UK, especially in autumn. They can bring very strong winds and heavy rain, but they are a normal part of our weather. At the moment, the track of Maria is uncertain, and therefore the direction in which it takes as it weakens and becomes Maria is also uncertain.